What's up, YouTube? How's everybody doing today? On this beautiful Wednesday morning, we're gonna put some brand new windshield wiper fluid inside Bumblebee today. Just turned her on, let her run because it's like really cold out today. So as you guys can see, getting the frost off of her. Check out that exhaust sound though. Pretty badass, huh? Not too bad, not too bad. Alright, so we're gonna go in here. We're gonna pop the hood real quick. I'm pretty sure everybody knows how to put in windshield wiper fluid, but you know what? It's my video today, okay? So we are going to open this bad boy up. Actually, it's not even opening up, which is funny. Hang on a minute. Let me turn her off. Alright, turn her off real quick. Because the way the car is bouncing up and down, I couldn't see the little thing. So what you want to do, open this up. If you can get your fat finger through it. There we go. Come on now. See, my car is weird. Like, if you can see in there, it doesn't let you open the hood properly. So you gotta like mess with it, and it's kind of odd. You know what I mean? It's really odd that it's not working right now. Huh. Like, is there something I'm missing? I don't know. What the fuck? There we go. Alright, guys. We figured it out. My dumbass figured it out. Okay. So, windshield wiper fluid. Not this one. Right here. Open this bad boy up. As you see, we're very low. Bumblebee is extremely low. Open up your windshield wiper fluid. Jam your thumb in there. And there we go. And slowly but surely, we will fill her up. Like I said, everybody knows how to do this. I'm just making a quick, short little video. Even I made one last night about Kobe Bryant. Rest in peace. But my car needed this. So I was like, hey, why not make a video? It's like 7:30 in the dang morning. But it's okay. People might find it interesting to put in windshield wiper fluid. I have no idea. But she's taking it all. She's literally taking off. That must have been really low. Holy poop. Oops. Here it comes. We have a little left. Put that right there. All right, cap it. There you go. Again, super easy. I just wanted to make a quick little video. But yeah. Check out Bumblebee. And check out my college ID tag. Oh yeah, in case you fuckers trying to hit me up, man. Go to that college. Alright? Again, just a short, quick little video. I mean, why not? I was kind of bored this morning. I woke up really early, so I was like, let's make a car video. I need to change my fluid. I gotta get this vacuum down. I'm probably gonna do later today before class starts. So, I'll see you guys later. Got all my car supplies back here. All my hats were there, but now they're on the floor. I gotta pick them up. But yeah, anyway, catch you guys later. Another video. All right, peace out, guys.